Hey guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to turn off digital light of any Samsung AC for temporary at night when it disturb you. For example, see guys, here right now there's digital light that you would like to set down. How do you do that? So for you guys here, see this light, if you would like to turn off, how do you do that at night? Because especially in night, yes, it disturbs you and sleeping. Then how do you especially turn off? For it guys, in your mobile, just you will have to install Samsung things. This app especially you have to install guys, this ones. And upon you have to connect. So for it you have to switch on Wi-Fi plus, yes, Bluetooth, and after switching on, just install it, create any ID according to your own visualizations, connect with this, and thereupon here, see now just I am going to connect, so it has been connected. And if you would like to just control the temperature, now see the temperature is also controlling. Cooling, of course we can control everything here by using, see this cooling, as well as yes, wind direction, this can be also decided here of course. And just to see extra cooling, standard, pleasant, I'm the pleasant and economical or super safe, that is also especially. So there are a lot of the feature here, but for lightning as we see here not given. So for lightning, just you have to click on a three dot where it is, see on there this dot you have to click. So let's see, you have to go in a setting to just, here is a beep. If you would like to switch off beep, this can be also for temporary. And if you would like to light switch off, then see here just I switched off, and now see it's switching off. So and if you would like to beep off also, this can be also possible. Right now it's switching. So I would like to show you with camera here, don't worry, just when it's. One thing more I would like to tell you guys, on this remote, see there is no any options to switch off the especially light at night, so on Samsung remote. So that's why actually I decided to show you, you will have a problem. So now see it's here, as we see it's offline. So let me, it's finally disconnected, so that's why having the problem, don't worry, just I would like to show you once again after connecting it. Let me, sometimes it's going to disconnect, so due to network. Now yes, it has been connected, see, yes, BP is giving. So I will go in a setting to just we will off it. So finally see we have done. And see this light, there is no light on this digital Samsung AC. So how quickly, and as well as there is no also on this remote, there is a button to off the light. So in this way especially you can turn off your light of Samsung AC or digital indicator lights for temporary period at night especially. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. And furthermore, of course, you can connect, and there is a lot of the feature, there's all the things of Samsung that can be a control here. Firstly you will have to connect, and then of course hold the remote. Without operating a remote especially manually, you can operate your whole AC especially. And yes, much more feature than especially you are operating with the especially remotes. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time guys.